If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing EAFC 25, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce lag and enhance performance. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and fast internet connection. Use a wired connection if possible, as it tends to be more reliable than Wi-Fi. Test your internet speed and consider upgrading your plan if necessary. Step 2. Close background applications. Before starting the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and bandwidth, allowing the game to run more smoothly. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings within the game. Reducing options like resolution, texture quality, and shadows can help improve performance and reduce lag spikes. Step 4. Update drivers and software. Make sure your graphics card drivers and the game itself are up to date. Check for any available updates and install them to ensure optimal performance. Step 5. Optimize network settings. Consider adjusting your router settings for gaming. Enable quality of service QoS to prioritize gaming traffic and ensure that your router's firmware is updated for the best performance. By following these steps, you can help minimize lag spikes and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in EAFC 25. Remember to regularly check your setup and make adjustments as needed for continued performance improvements.